Good morning. What a beautiful day.
Emma, breakfast is ready. I'm coming, Mom. Breakfast smells good. Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, Mom.
Eat well. Thank you. Thank you. It tastes delicious. See you later, Mom.
Have a wonderful day. What a beautiful morning.
The flowers are so pretty today. Hello, little birds. I love coming here. What was that? Is someone there? Don't be afraid. I won't hurt you. Come here, little one.
Okay.
You look very dirty. Is anyone looking for this puppy? Don't worry. Let's find your family. Excuse me.
Have you seen this puppy before? No, I'm sorry. Thank you. Good luck.
Maybe someone is looking for you. I don't see your picture. How can I help you? Don't worry. I will help you. Maybe someone here knows you. Hello. Have you seen this puppy before?
I'm sorry. I haven't. You can post a notice there.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
We're home.
Welcome home.
Mom, I found this little puppy.
He looks hungry.
Yes, I think so.
Hello, little one. Let's give him some food.
Okay.
Good boy.
You ate everything.
You're so cute.
Do you have a name? Let's make a poster. I hope your family sees this. It's ready!
Let's put it where people can see it.
This is a good place.
I hope someone calls.
It looks good.
We'll find your family. Someone is calling. We think that's our puppy. Really? That's wonderful. Buddy. I missed you so much. I'm happy you're together again.
Every lost friend deserves to find their way home. Kindness can change someone's life. Always help those in need.